Property prices have shown few signs of slowing down since rebounding in late 2009, following Singapore's recovery from the global economic downturn. A strong economy, low unemployment rate and liquidity from foreign investors in 2010 pushed private property prices past the previous peak in 1996. In the public housing sector, prices in the resale market hit new records as home buyers were swept away by positive market sentiment. The cash premium buyers pay upfront, also known as cash overvaluation, climbed to $30,000. To curb speculation, a seller's stamp duty was introduced in February for properties sold within a year of purchase. The effective period was raised to 3 years during the second round of changes in August. The maximum loan amount buyers can take from financial institutions was also reduced from 90% to 70% over the 2 rounds of changes. Unlike the previous property run when a capital tax was introduced prior to the market crash in 1996, this time round the government is taking small steps.
We are not taking a big bang approach, but taking a very calibrated approach to this. Why? Because we think that we want to make sure that the market can be sustained, but we also don't want to make sure that the market crashes.
The 30th August measures appear to have achieved some of its desired impact.
Probably on the public housing market, but not so much on the private side. I think the private side we have been consistent on that. But on the public housing market, I think the big change was when we disallowed the dual ownership of public and private property within this minimum occupation period, which is now 5 years. Previously it was 3 years.
While prices in the private market are still rising, the rate of increase has slowed down. COV has declined gradually, dropping to $22,000 in November. Observers say COV levels may eventually drop to $10,000 to $20,000 as more housing supply and choices come onto the market.
For the sellers, I would say they need to be a bit more realistic. This isn't 1 year ago where you could ask as high a COV as possible and people may just grab it. But now I think the buyers are a lot wiser. Those who have been really in need and desperate to buy would have already bought.
The government has indicated it will introduce more measures if necessary to curb speculation. But for now, it appears that no further action will be taken as it monitors the impact of the latest round of changes. National Development Minister Ma Bow Tan says it will be a couple more months before the full extent of the August changes are felt.